Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to go over the math lesson today and just show you some examples of what you're going to be working on today. So this is Math Module 4, Lesson 11. And our learning target today is I can add and subtract tens from a multiple of 10. So we're going to take a look first at adding, okay? And this is first part is just a little review here. So if you remember when we were doing number bonds, we had our number sentence 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then we had our model here, 2 plus 1. That was how we showed it with our drawing. And then over here, we have our number bond. So we have 3 is the whole, and 2 and 1 are the parts. So those 2 plus 1, those two parts, equal the whole. Well, today we're going to be looking at tens. So we have two tens shown down below in a model here. That's how we model our tens. And one 10 equals three tens. And now we have our number bond showing that. We have our two parts, two tens and one 10, and the whole. So we can see those three tens. Now let's look at that. As far as our number sentence, we have 20 plus 10 equals 30. And you can see here our number bond is 30 is the whole, and 20 is one part, and 10 is the other part. So that's what we're going to be working on today, is really this focus of writing the number sentence and the number bond for addition. And we're also going to be doing it for subtraction. So let me show you that. Okay, and as we did with addition, we're subtracting ones here. So we have our number sentence. We have our model where we have 3 and we're taking 1 away, just like in our number sentence, 3 minus 1 is 2. And then over here we have our number bond. 3 is the whole and 2 and 1 are the parts. Well, we can show that with tens as well. So here we have 3 tens. There was 3. We're taking away 1 10, and that equals 2 tens that are left. Again, with our number bond, we have 3 tens. One part is a 1 10, and the other part is 2 tens. And finally, down here we have our number sentence. 30 minus 10 equals 20, and we have our number bond. So 30 and then is the whole, and the parts are 10 and 20. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the examples you're going to see here. So notice the first one is done, and I'm just going to grab a pen, and what I like to do, have the kids do, is I like to have them circle the groups so they could kind of see that group of tens pretty clear. Today you're going to draw a number bond and complete the number sentences to match the pictures. So you can see here there's 2 tens, and that's written in, plus 1 10, and that gives us a total of 3. But what are we really saying? We're really saying that 20 and 10 are our parts, and the whole is 30. And we can make a number sentence of that. 20 plus 10 equals 30. Okay, that's an addition example. So let's look over here. We have 1 10. Now notice this number sentence is a little different. So here this is going to be the sum. These are going to be your add-ins here, okay? So we have 1 10 over here, and then over here we have 2 tens. So 1 10 plus 2 tens equals 3 tens. But what are we really saying? We're saying that this is a 10, right? So we have 1 10, and that is equal to 10. And here we have 2 tens, 10, 20. And when the two parts, you have 10, 20, 30. That would be the whole. And now that we have our number bond, we can make our number sentence. 10 plus 20 equals 30. Okay, now here, let's look down below. We're going to start with, we have 4. We have 4 groups of 10 here, right? We have 4. So we can say there is 40, or in this case, 40 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. So I wrote that as 40, and we have 4 tens. Now, down below, you can see they took away 2 tens. So let's put that in, 2 tens. Well, what is 2 tens? 10, 20. So that would be 20. And then we want to see how many tens are left. 1, 2. 2 tens are left. And 2 tens we count as 10, 20. 2 tens is really 20. So we're going to say 40. Using my number bond, 40. We're going to take 20 away. And that leaves me with 20 left. Okay. So there's an addition and subtraction example for you. Okay, let's go. Another thing you're going to have to do is you're going to draw quick tens and a number bond to help you solve the number sentence. So let's take a look at the first one. We have 10. Remember, you draw tens just as a line, and then we have 20. Okay, so now that I have my drawing, it'll help me make my number bond. So I have 10 over here, and then I have 10, 20. And if I count out my tens, 10, 20, 30. I know that's 30. And that helps me solve this to know that it is, oop, I went too far. help me know that it's 30. Okay. All right, let's look at the subtraction model. So we're going to draw 20. We want 2 tens to show 20, but this time we're going to be taking away a 10. Okay, so we have, and let's put our 20 up here. That's our whole. And now we're going to be taking away 10. Cross that off. So I took 10 away, just like it's telling me in the number sentence. And then how many do I have left? I have 10 left. Okay, so that's just showing you an example of drawing a model, drawing a number bond, and being able to solve that number sentence. And the last thing that you're going to do today is you're going to add and subtract. So where it says 2 tens plus 1 10, you're actually going to be writing out that it would be 2 plus 1 is 3 tens. Okay, so you would actually write that out, 3 tens. Probably be easier if I typed it. And we also have numbers where it's 20 plus 20. So if I have 20, 20, that equals 40. And if you're having trouble with that, you can always draw your tens on top to help you solve that. See how I draw my tens? So I know 10, 20, 30, 40. I could also do that with subtraction. So I can draw my tens on top. So I have 40, and I want to take 10 away. So then I have 10, 20, 30. I have 30 left. So definitely draw that model if it helps. Sometimes kids just know how to be able to subtract those tens, but a model will definitely help. So I hope that was helpful today, and I hope you have a great time doing your math today. Thank you so much for listening, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.